Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diva here. If you don't know, you all better get to know. The coin is here. Okay, don't mind me guys, but yes, it's your girl Diva. If you guys are new here, I want to welcome you. For our returning subscribers, wagwan, you dig. Anywho, literally today's video is going to be a quick one. I'm literally just going to be giving my review on SHEIN. Itself has its own makeup collection and it's called SHEGLAM. So literally today I'm just going to be talking through what the products I like, hence this face. I have done my face already. It's a long story. I wanted to present to you guys me doing my makeup and having my thoughts, but a girl's video got deleted. Someone out there hates me. My whole video got deleted. So instead of me going through it again, because it's not really the same, going through the makeup is going to be different reactions. I'm not going to sit here and pretend, oh my god, it's the first time me trying it. So that's out the window. So right now, I'm literally just going to talk through the products. But I have done my face using their product. So before I get into that, subscribe to a girl's channel. You know what it does. You know what it's for. It's not going to hurt you. Just press that red button. And when Diva pops up, I'm in your face. Can't get away from me. Okay? Anyway, let's get straight into the review. Woo! So, right guys. So this was the first thing that I used. And this is the SHEGLAM Brow Definer. And it's actually a waterproof pencil. I did get it in the color coffee. So as you can see, this pencil did my eyebrows. I didn't think it was too bad. It's very faint. It's not like a dark consistency or very heavy on the pen. It's the packaging for it. A tall black one. And this is the pencil. It says eyebrow pencil and SHEGLAM on one side. It comes with a spoolie, it comes with a sharpener, and it comes with a pencil. It is quite a long pencil, which I was very surprised by this. This retails at $1.99, so very affordable. My advice on this, you can't go wrong. It's $1.99. Actually no, yeah, it's $1.99 and you can't go wrong. And this is how my eyebrows set good with it. Okay, moving on. This is the SHEGLAM 12-hour full coverage concealer. I bought this in the color Amande. Wanted to use it to conceal underneath my eyes, but it would have been too dark. I literally just used it just to conceal on top of my eyebrows. You guys can't see, but it blended in well. But my only thought on this is that it was kind of watery. I wouldn't say this is 12-hour coverage. Like, it says 12-hour coverage and it's just like, it didn't feel like it. So I don't know what's that meant to mean, but the consistency is not that thick or full, if that makes sense. Yeah, I don't know much to say on this. I just literally just used it to conceal top of my eyebrows. It did the job, but I'm not sure how others feel about it. But me personally, I wouldn't use it on my face or even get like a lighter color to conceal. It's not really full enough. I've got the SHEGLAM Blossom palette. That's what I used to create this eye look. As you guys can see, it was very pigmented. I was very surprised, and yeah, I loved it. Let me show you what this looks like inside. This is all the colors, so I've used it so it's a bit dug out a little bit, but you've got Daffodil, Venus, Daisy, Coronation, Camilla, Youth, Diva, May, and Otria. So these are the colors, and I used this May for my transitional color starting off with. Then I went on to Fever, just put it in my crease. And then I went on to Daisy to just put on top of my eyelids, and then finished it off with Carnation just on my outer V. So yeah, I'm very impressed with that eyeshadow. Like $4.99, can't go wrong. Like, I love it. So this is the packaging for SHEGLAM's eyelashes that I have on. It doesn't really have a name for it, so I would give this like, it's like a full glam type eyelashes. They are full, and these were called the cat eye bushy lashes, and these were $1.49. I didn't even realize the price. I literally just put things in a basket, and yeah, I'm really impressed with these eyelashes. Like, you can't go wrong, and obviously it's reusable. I use it for the first video, then got deleted, and yes, I put it back on today for you guys to see. But yeah, then it came to the SHEGLAM Expert Dual Eyeliner. So it has a double end. One says liquid, one says gel. When I tried to use this in the first video, I thought I could use the gel side to put underneath my eye, but it wasn't actually budging, so I don't know what I would use this for. And obviously this is the liquid side. I must say, one thing about this pencil is that it can define very sharp, but when you do your first application, it's a bit like watery, faint, and not as black. So I wouldn't class this as a going out eyeliner, if that makes sense. I would literally use it for every day if I was just like going to work or something. So I wouldn't say, I only use the word pigment, but the pigment in the liner is not that black. You have to keep rubbing and rubbing, but it's not too bad. It does the job. And like I said, $3.49, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. So, okay. Then, the story with this marvelous foundation. My previous video, like I said, I got deleted. Keep repeating myself. This was too white on my face. Literally, I had to use my L'Oreal True Match. So today, I'm cheating. I do not have the foundation on because I know what happened previously. I just used my L'Oreal True Match in the color Caramel Toffee, because when I did film before and I used this, I had to put my True Match on top to subdue the color back. Like, I looked like them people from the West with makeup. It wasn't even funny. But yeah, it comes in a nice velvet packaging. Like, it's quite heavy, it's weighty. That's what it looks like. And it is the Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. I don't really want to put this on my hand right now because I don't have tissue. But it did say what it was. It was matte, it was full coverage. But it was just the thing that wasn't my shade. So my advice, I feel like the colouring chart is not what it says it is. Like, there were like arms on the pictures, and it like had swatches of the foundation, and looking at someone's arm this is similar to mine, when this colour cappuccino was on there, I thought it was mine, but when I put it to my face it looked white. So I'm guessing you may need to go 2 shades down from the name on the list in order to get your right colour. That's the only thing. Don't take a risk, people. Make sure you do get the right one. If not, get 2. To be honest, I should have got 2, but I just got 1. So I did get the translucent Baked Glow setting powder. The reason why I got translucent is because I didn't really know like what my colour was, and I just didn't want to waste just getting products, and it's just a waste of time. So you can't go wrong with translucent, because translucent is translucent. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. Probably falling out because I used it. So I don't know if you guys can see a glow in my face here, but literally it has like a literally shimmery glow to it. So obviously now it's not going to be as fresh as I've used it now, but that's the powder it comes in, and that's what it looks like, and that's the pad it comes in. Very light on the face. It blends right in well, melts right into your skin. I really love this. I'm in love with this. So because of how it was, I do want to invest and get my actual, almost my shade colour. I'm in love with the fact that a baking powder has shimmer in it. Like, you don't have to even use any skin finish after. So yeah, I came on to the matte blush, and this is in the color Scrolling. I do have it on now. It did come out a bit too much, so I had to tame it down with some powder. But yeah, this is called Scrolling. This is what it looks like, and this was $3.49. So I literally dabbed that on my cheeks, if you guys can see. And I did obviously use a contour powder around the edges of my face, but I didn't really want to get their contour stuff because I don't know, it didn't really look appealing to me. They do have a lot of range of stuff. They have mascaras. I got my own mascara. Like, I need to buy a mascara for. Mascara is mascara. So they got mascaras. They got contour sticks. They've got cream contours. They got lipsticks, lip glosses. They got a load of things. To be honest, you could do your full face using their makeup, but I just got the main stuff that I would use on my makeup. It's a shame about the foundation, but yeah. And last but not least, this is the packaging for my lippy. This is the Matte Allure liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Momo Mojo. So I'll show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And the consistency, that's what it looks like inside. And the consistency of this, as you can tell by my lips, it's not, well, my lips does look a bit dry, but it's not because this is dry. I've naturally got lines in my lip, but it doesn't feel like there's anything on my lip. It doesn't feel hard, it doesn't feel crusty. It feels quite good on the lips. So I can put a bit more on now. It's literally a glider, and that literally is £3.49. So most of the things I have got were £3.49, except for the foundation being £7.49 and the eyeshadow palette being £4.99. But so my overall thoughts on this SHEGLAM makeup by SHEIN, I would give it overall, is that a word? Overall, a 7 out of 10. Like I said, the foundation was fine, but it was too light for me, and that was disappointing. I wish I showed you guys that video, because it would have been, it was so funny the way my eyes were just like, ugh. But anyway, video's gone, let me move on. Yeah, so the foundation I feel was definitely a good full coverage. You can't go wrong with the eyebrow pencil. Eyeshadow palette is boom, the eyelashes are sweet, the blush is woo, the lips are woo, and obviously I just used my own shimmer, another product, it wasn't by SHEGLAM. But yeah, my overall, I can't fault them. Like, they did well, and such affordable price. I advise you guys to all go and get it. Literally, I'll put everything in the link below. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the red button. Anywho, got to love you and leave you people. Have a nice morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you watch this. And I shall see you guys on my next video. Mwah. Love you all. Oh. Bye people.